A digital logic device used as a buffer should have what input-output characteristics? A. High input impedance and high output impedance. B. Low input impedance and high output impedance. C. Low input impedance and low output impedance. D. High input impedance and low output impedance. The correct answer is high input impedance and low output impedance. What is the standard TTL noise margin? A. 5.0 V. B. 0.2 V. C. 0.8 V. D. 0.4 V. The correct answer is 0.4 V. The range of a valid low input is A. 0.0 V to 0.4 V. B. 0.4 V to 0.8 V. C. 0.4 V to 1.8 V. D. 0.4 V to 2.4 V. The correct answer is 0.4 V to 0.8 V. When an IC has two rows of parallel connecting pins, the device is referred to as A. A QFP. B. A dip. C. A phase splitter. D. CMOS. The correct answer is a dip. Which digital IC package type makes the most efficient use of printed circuit board space? A. SMT. B. Toucan. C. Flat pack. D. Dip. The correct answer is SMT. The problem of interfacing IC logic families that have different supply voltages VCCS can be solved by using A level shifter. B. Tree state shifter. C. Translator. D. Level shifter or translator. The correct answer is level shifter or translator. 10 TTL loads per TTL driver is known as A. Noise immunity. B. Power dissipation. C. Fan-out. D. Propagation delay. The correct answer is fan-out. Which of the following summarize the important features of emitter-coupled logic ECL? A. Negative voltage operation, high speed and high power consumption. B. Good noise immunity, negative logic, high frequency capability, low power dissipation and short propagation time. C. Slow propagation time, high frequency response, low power consumption and high output voltage swings. D. Poor noise immunity, positive supply voltage operation, good low frequency operation and low power. The correct answer is negative voltage operation, high speed and high power consumption. What quantities must be compatible when interfacing two different logic families? A. Only the currents. B. Both the voltages and the currents. C. Only the voltages. D. Both the power dissipation and the impedance. The correct answer is both the voltages and the currents. CMOS logic is probably the best all-around circuitry because of its A. Packing density. B. Low power consumption. C. Very high noise immunity. D. Low power consumption and very high noise immunity. The correct answer is low power consumption and very high noise immunity. Low power consumption achieved by CMOS circuits is due to which construction characteristic? A. Complementary pairs. B. Connecting pads. C. Dip packages. D. Small scale integration. The correct answer is complementary pairs. A TTL totem pole circuit is designed so that the output transistors are A. Always on together. B. Providing phase splitting. C. Providing voltage regulation. D. Never on together. The correct answer is never on together. The time needed for an output to change as the result of an input change is known as A. Noise immunity. B. Fan-out. C. Propagation delay. D. Rise time. The correct answer is propagation delay.